In this section, we're going to talk about the Tokyo session. Japan is the third largest Forex trading center in the world. In fact, the yen is the third most traded currency. Overall, about 21% of all Forex transactions take place during the Tokyo session. Some people call the Tokyo session the Asian session as well. So here's some key characteristics that you should know about the Tokyo session. First of all, main players are commercial companies or exporters and central banks. Japan does a lot of business with China, so looking out for China is important during this session. Liquidity can also be thin, and this causes pairs to stick within a range. There are stronger moves on Asian pairs, of course, during the Asian session. A lot of the action happens early on in the session. And in fact, the moves that happen in the Tokyo session project how the rest of the day is going to go in the upcoming sessions. And with New York being the session that comes before Tokyo, big moves in the New York session can sometimes mean that then there's going to be consolidation in the Tokyo session. So these are some important points to know about the Tokyo session, and they'll help you trade better during this session. So which pairs should you trade during the Tokyo session? The Tokyo session is a good opportunity to trade during news events as news comes out from Australia, New Zealand, and Japan. There also could be more movement in the yen pairs during this session since the yen is changing hands quite a bit while Japanese companies conduct business. It's important during the Tokyo session to pay attention to news that comes out from China. China is an economic superpower, and when news comes out from China, there are really volatile moves in the market, especially with the AUD and the JPY pairs. So pay attention to that. All right, so those are the important points for the Tokyo or Asian session. In the next section, we're going to talk about the London session.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.